What up, y'all? Today we just gonna go ahead and get it started. I ain't gonna do too much talking because y'all already know what I'm finna do. Go ahead and paint that. Thank y'all for stopping by. Put y'all on time lapse, clean all this up, take all the parts out, tape it off, what I need to tape off, and get it going. See y'all on time lapse. Alright, as you can see, I got everything taken off now. So what I decided to do, since these pieces are attached to like modules and stuff up under here, can't really take those out. So what I'm gonna do is just paint the top side of these with the, but yeah, pretty much gonna be doing the paintbrush inside of here. Those little line in between. So y'all will see me doing that. But yeah, rest of the parts are right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Set up the little mini paint station and get it going. Applying the second coat and then starting to comfort better, fill in the holes and the gaps and everything that I'm missing. But surprisingly, this paint is some amazing paint, man. It holds up with the weather, extreme heat conditions and everything. So I know it's good. All you gotta do is slap a little clear coat on it once you're done. And same thing with this side, put a couple coats on there, a couple extra coats. Do the back and forth motion like I did. And everything came out pretty good to me. This piece right here, the texture was a little different, so it applied a little different, but it still came out great, and I was shocked. But overall, I was amazed at the end result. So I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and we're gonna go from there. Peace out. See you at the end. Alright, so this part was one of the tricky parts. So I figured out the best way to do it was put pieces of tape across, all the way across the portion that I wanted to do. Press it down hard as I can. That way I can shape it out. And then use like a little razor blade to cut it out, as you see I'm doing in the video. That was the best way I could think about trying to do the letters and this portion up top, because it was a little tough trying to get it taped off, but I eventually got it done and it came out great. So y'all see the end result soon. Alright, y'all. So I did most of it. At this point right here, I got tired of it. I ended up spraying some with the finished the last coat off with the spray paint itself. But everything looking good how I want it. There's that piece, that piece. Man, this piece right here, I had to go back and redo it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but as I was getting ready to take it off, a gust of wind came out there and just all over the top of it. Now, the one that I really wanted to, I want to get this. I need to clean up a little bit more around the edges on this. I wanted this to be like that. I thought about leaving this inside black, but I was like, I don't know if I really want to do it black inside. So I left it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back after I finish doing the touch-ups and stuff. Put everything back in the car, and like I said, it matches up with the trim on the side. Y'all, this is the finished product for now. I do gotta touch up some stuff up there. I'm tired, I'm done for today, but this is pretty much everything. This is the engine bay for now until I decide. My piece right there got damaged a little bit, but I ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah, so far that's how everything looks. And part of me saying I probably should left it black, but I kind of like it like that. And yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.